Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to everyone out there. It's me, Micheal, and OKOSUN, a student of AmbrishQuickPatente. I'm so happy to be before you today, sharing my testimony of how God has helped me to get my patente today. And really, I actually find Mr. Ambush number through email. I said email, no, YouTube. And in the YouTube, I collected the contact and I called him. And it's been about 1 month and a week or two now since I've been with him. But I've been able to learn a lot, and today I've gotten my patente. It's really